Every family has that one weird relative, and that includes our solar system, with the planet Uranus spinning on its side. But when you look closely, you find that everyone in the family and the neighborhood is a bit weird. Hi, I'm Dave Dooling, and today we'll take a quick look at cosmic collisions, coming soon to a galaxy near you. Space is big. Vastly, hugely, mind-bogglingly big, according to the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. That means that objects usually miss each other. But wait a few millions or billions of years and you get a giant pinball game in the sky. The idea of cosmic catastrophes is not new. When Worlds Collide, a 1933 book and 1951 movie, explored what happens when civilization is faced with that threat. Let's look at some of the really big ones. And I mean bigger than what killed the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. The closest is our moon. In 1946, Reginald Aldworth Daly of Harvard University proposed that the moon came from an early cosmic collision. In 1974, the idea got new life as scientists looked at the unusual chemistry of the Apollo rock and soil samples. The theory that emerged is that a Mars-sized body named Theia shared early Earth's orbit at a gravitational balance point between Earth and Sun. By the time Earth was only 60 million years old, Theia had grown large enough that tidal forces with Venus nudged it towards Earth. In the collision, about 4.5 billion years ago, Earth swallowed Theia's nickel-iron core, and iron-poor debris blasted into space coalesced to become our moon. About 500 million years later, an asteroid about 40 miles wide hit the moon and formed Mare Orientale, more than 450 miles wide and up to 4 miles deep. Mercury was hit by an even bigger body, about 60 miles wide, that produced the Caloris Basin, almost 1,000 miles wide. The exact opposite point is covered by weird terrain, caused by debris showering from the impact or the shock waves radiating around the planet. A similar collision may have killed the chances of life on Mars, when a body about 1,000 miles wide struck a glancing blow in the northern hemisphere. This helped cool the planet and accelerated the loss of its early ocean. Jupiter helped alert Earth to the danger of collisions when it shredded and then swallowed a mid-sized comet in 1994. Evidence quickly disappears on the gas and ice giant planets, so we need some CSI-type research. Uranus had long puzzled astronomers as to why it rotates on its side. What should be the North Pole points slightly south. Why? Jacob Kagerius of Durham University in England says that something the size of Earth slammed into Uranus about 3 to 4 billion years ago. Like a spinning egg, the fluid interior would have sloshed and tilted the planet on its side. Debris blasted into space became its moons. Neptune, which is almost a twin of Uranus, seems normal, but may have been hit by a mile-wide comet about 230 years ago, less than a cosmic blink of the eye. Scientists using the Herschel Space Telescope found that the planet's upper atmosphere has too much carbon monoxide, a chemical common to many comets. And its large moon Triton orbits in reverse, meaning it was captured and eventually will be dragged down to collide with Neptune in about 3.6 billion years. But wait, there's more. Observations by NASA's Spitzer and Sophia infrared telescopes indicate that a collision like Earth and Theia may have happened recently, but 300 light-years away. A binary star system called BD 20 plus 307 is encircled by 1 million times more dust than our Sun has, and it's too warm. Astronomers think that 2 Earth-sized planets slammed into each other within the last few 100,000 years. Do you want bigger? How about neutron stars swallowing each other? This kilonova produced a few gigatons of precious metals. But forget about a gold rush. It's in a galaxy far, far away, about 130 million light-years away. And speaking of galaxies, the M31 galaxy in Andromeda is headed our way at about 245,000 miles per hour. It should arrive in about 4.5 billion years. Collisions between galaxies are quite common. Let the pinball game run long enough, and galaxies meet, merge, and form new supergalaxies. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more stories from space. Unless something hits me first.